What's up YouTube, how's everyone? I hope you're good and full of energy, because today I'm gonna show you 5 insane hacks in 90 seconds. So without a lot of talking, let's get started. So guys, the first tip is gonna be how to create white noise without third-party VST or samples. You just have to go to Instruments, grab an operator, choose Noise White and you're ready. After that you can freeze and flatten your sound and save it as you wish. The second tip I'm gonna show you is how to get your sub flat without changing the volume each time you play different note. All you have to do is go to your audio effects and choose a flattenator preset from your compressor and you're ready. In this step I'm gonna show you how to automatically half headroom your project by having your channel at -20 each time you open a channel. All you have to do is open a channel and drag down the dB at -20 and then right click on the channel and save it as default. In this tip I'm gonna show you how to have a built-in EQ8 in your channel every time you open one. All you have to do is open an audio channel and grab an EQ8, turn it off and then right click to your channel and save as default audio channel, and that's it. And finally, in the last tip I'm gonna show you how to process your mid-sides like a pro. First you're gonna need the utility, the old version which has mid-side separation, and then you need to group it. After that, create a second chain and name it side, and also name the first one mid. Then set the utility to allow only mids and the second to allow only sides. After that you can use an EQ8 and set it at mid-side mode and start processing your sound. So guys, that was a video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As you saw, it was pretty easy and useful. Don't forget to subscribe because more videos like this are coming. See you next time.